Hello everyone, and welcome to my first long form video on YouTube. Today we're gonna go through Costco's June 15th through July 19th savings flyer, and I'll highlight the deals I think are actually worth buying. We'll also take a quick look at Costco's online savings event since there are some additional discounts that don't appear in the printed flyer. With that, let's dive in. No discounts here. These are just Kirkland brand batteries. If you're looking for some gifts for Father's Day, Ninja Creami is only $150 and Shokz earbuds are only $110. Some big discounts on Dyson if you're looking for a new vacuum cleaner. Razor discounts, Band-Aid discounts. If you are in the Philips Sonicare ecosystem, the toothbrushes and the replacement brush heads are all on sale. It's a good time to restock your soap from Dove and moisturizer or body wash from Dove. I've never tried their shampoo and conditioner, but that's also on sale. Liquid Ivy deals. They also have sugar-free varieties. Cetaphil, if you like their cleanser and moisturizing lotion. Other shave kits and cartridges from Harry's, both for women and men. Neutrogena water cream, Neutrogena makeup remover wipes. This is a great deal because at Target you're probably paying $10 for a pack of 25, and here you get 125 for 15. Diapers, body deodorant from Loom that I heard is good. I'm going to restock the toothbrushes as well as the toothpicks, also toothpaste. I've seen these Berkshire Down alternative blankets in person with the flowers, and they're super cute, so I might cop. These are good for decorative bed pillows for just $14. I use these 400 thread count Egyptian cotton sheets in gray, and that would be a good time to get a replacement set. Bunch of discounts on mattresses, beds and furniture, appliances. Solid deal on ceramic nonstick fry pan set. I've seen these in person. I like that they're basically stainless steel exterior, which looks really sleek, and the color aesthetic of white or gray is really pleasing. Got some snack deals. These are very popular. Organic coconut rolls, Archer grass-fed beef stick minis, coconut oil popcorn. I heard this carbone sauce is very nice. Siete almond flour tortillas. And then laundry detergent from Tide. Gain all are all on sale if you need a restock. Great time to restock Bounty paper towels and Lysol disinfecting wipes, as well as Febreze and any of the dish liquid soaps. Also Scrub Mummy dual-sided sponges and Kleenex. Poppy prebiotic soda, Maison Perrier sparkling water, Celsius, the gallon and quart freezer, plastic bags, a bunch of stuff for your eye health and lens care, and ton of supplement deals from Kirkland Signature, Culturelle, Advil, Tylenol, Nature's Bounty, Nature Made, you name it. If you need to restock any of your supplements, this is a great time. Also deals on One A Day, U Theory, Sports Research, and Neosporin. I just started buying omega-3 fish oil from Sports Research. It's one of the best in class, and I'll get another package of it now. And that concludes the flyer walkthrough. Let's check out the online savings event. Additional discounts are 5-Hour Energy, Powerade, Prime. Oh, I shouldn't click on these. Health-Ade Kombucha, Yerba Mate, Fiji water, Essentia water, bunch of snacks, coffee pods, condiments, this was in the original flyer, but I kind of skimmed through it. Cetaphil moisturizing cream and Cetaphil lotion and cleanser are all on sale. Vitamins that we went through. A lot of repeats. Yeah, Listerine was in the original flyer. I prefer TerraBreath, but if you're a Listerine person, that's a great time to buy. Band-Aids as well for 200 count. So before we wrap, I just want to remind you that if you bought any of these items in the last 30 days, you can get a price adjustment from Costco. For me, I bought the Sports Research omega-3 fish oil, and I also bought the Bounty paper towels. That's $12 back in my pocket if I walk into Costco for a price adjust. It may not sound like much, but an average Costco shopper is spending about $100 per trip. $12 on a $100 trip is effectively 12% cash back. For comparison, Costco's executive membership earns just 2% cash back annually. So why not basically maximize your cash back every month by using these sales strategically? I'll include a full list of notable deals for this month in the description below. Thank you so much for watching. If you found this helpful, I'll be posting monthly Costco deals and other shopping strategies to help you get more value from your everyday shopping.